Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Mini 9 to have a runcore 32 gig SSD and 2 gigs worth of RAM to kind of speed up your system. It's one of the first mods people like to do to their Mini 9s to kind of give it a performance boost. You pretty much could find the runcores on a link on myminidell.com website. I believe, like I said, it's a 32 gig runcore and I have my memory chip there. We'll get to this in a second. Just let me show you what to do here on the 9 to prepare it. Remove the battery, place it to the side, get the screwdriver that comes with the runcore, remove the 2 screws that are on the back cover plate, place them to the side as well. It's pretty easy. This is the cakey part. And then just when you're here, you're gonna have to snap that out because it snaps into place. What I do is just pretty much place that there, grab my screws, put them to the left, and just familiarize yourself here with the layout we have here. That's the wireless card, that's the memory, and that's the hard drive. So to start off, let's just go ahead and press these pressure pins on the side of the RAM, take it out, place it right there, get your 2 gig stick, and just installation is the same thing as taking it out, just reverse. Just grab the RAM, position it, tuck it, make sure it's straight, and then you should hear it snap. It shouldn't be too difficult. If you're struggling with it, take it back out, try it again. Everything should sit in place and flush. Double check it that the teeth are not, this is pretty much uniform. And that completes the RAM upgrade. If you want, you could close it and boot up your computer to see if those settings took effect. I'm not going to do that because I'm also going to do the S-Tech removal here. And I'm going to install the runcore and 2 screws, small screws. You got to be careful because it kind of like pops out. It kind of wants to like snap back, so you have to put a little bit of pressure to prevent it from doing so. Take out the screw, put it on another side. They're similar, so you want to keep one from the other. Remove the hard drive, place it on the back cover. Now go to your runcore card, and it's pretty much straightforward. What I do like about it is that it has an external USB port that you could use. It comes with a cable as well that you could plug into a computer. Sometimes when you load OS X, it makes it so much easier to do it. So just make sure you have this aligned in the same way you took it out. You'll see this kind of like tilt forward a bit. What I do is I grab the screws and I kind of just place them here, and from there I just give it a couple turns, grab the other one, position the screw, give it a couple turns, make sure it's snug. Now, like I said on the other one, make sure these teeth are uniform, they're not inclined or not the way they should be. Just grab your old parts, open them up and just throw them in there. Grab your screws, put them to the side, snap back, or just go around the back cover plate, make sure it snaps into place. Put your screws back on. And the last part is to put the battery back. Snaps in. I like to lock it. You just lock here, turn it over, turn it on, open up the lid, and then just press the power button. We have powers, we have light, we have lift off. Everything seems to be alright. Yep, boots right in. Everything was worked out for the best. and this will just, you know, pretty much give you a 32 gig SSD and 2 gig upgrade for the memory. Hope that helps.